Welcome to the first in this video series. Are you on track to own 4 homes debt-free by the time you retire and create a passive income stream to provide a lifestyle you want in retirement? If not, your retirement may not be something to look forward to. This is how many the experts say we need to own to have enough money just to live on. See the Ross Greenwood video on our website. Over the next few days, we're going to share with you a series of property investment educational videos where people from all over Australia have previously paid $295 to receive access to. Here are just a few things I'll be revealing in this first video. How to use your tax dollars to supercharge your retirement fund and avoid the embarrassment of working through your retirement. Why China, India and Japan have turned Australia into a gold mine of opportunity. Why you can't rely on the government to support you. Why you will outlive your money unless you prepare now. And why shares and savings accounts just aren't enough and saving for your retirement seems virtually impossible. Plus, how to build a rock-solid financial portfolio so you'll never have to worry about running out of money. Why real estate? It gives you the leverage you need to build an asset base and still give yourself and your family a chance to make your retirement something to look forward to, instead of outliving your money and living the rest of your life like a hermit, embarrassed that your children will have to bail you out of your money problems. It could happen to you. Just take a look at the home truths that a few people think about. Home truth number 1. You've planned to retire this year, but you're still going to work. Why? 2011 is the first year of the 5.3 million Australians in the baby boomer generation turning 65. But many are not retiring. They still get up and go to work. According to AMP, which holds superannuation accounts for 328,000 working Australians, the average retirement age increased by almost 12 months to 64.4 years in the first half of last year. There has been a 25% jump in the number of people over 65 still in the workforce in the last 6 months. Reduced superannuation account balances may have induced those nearing retirement to delay it and keep on working. Home truth number 2. You will outlive your money. The question you need to answer is this. Can you afford to save an extra $750,000 to $1 million by the time you retire? And remember, that's only living a very modest retirement. You deserve a retirement that you can look forward to without worrying about money issues. Home truth number 3. Superannuation and savings accounts just aren't enough. We all know that savings accounts give you very little return on your money. Real estate allows you to take advantage of your existing assets. For example, one method is to leverage the existing sleeping equity in your own home to use as your original investment, allowing you to purchase an investment property with minimal deposit without having to scrimp and save your hard-earned money for years just to get started. That's one single investment that may have the ability to then fund an entire modest retirement by itself. But hey, why stop at just one? Here's the great part. With property investing, there are 4 great ways it can help you create long-lasting wealth and financial security, unlike shares, which give you only one at a much slower pace. Here they are. Reason number 1. Increased value from appreciation. If you buy a property for $350,000 and then sell it 10 years later, or when it's doubled in price, in simple terms, you get to keep the difference. Reason number 2. Recession-proof income. Regardless of the state of the market, people have to live somewhere. Even if the property market is quiet, and if less people can afford to purchase, then rental properties become highly sought after. Reason number 3. Funding your retirement. Funding your retirement with real estate investments is perfect for most Australians because it's the easiest and most profitable way to invest your money. In fact, if you think that a pension will hold you through your retirement, this next statement will make you reconsider your strategy. Did you know that 2/3 of retirees rely on a pension as their main source of income? And that more than 1/3 of those retirees are forced to return to work due to financial needs? Yes, a third of Australians 65 and over are forced to return to work. Think of two of your closest friends. If you don't do something now, one of you will be forced out of retirement and back into the workforce. Don't let it be you. The aged pension in Australia is one of the lowest in the developed world, providing the average Australian retiree couple with only $1,917 per month. While very basic, minimum lifestyle expenses are running out of control. Is that really the retirement lifestyle you've always dreamed and wished for? I doubt it. Instead, that level of income will suffocate your lifestyle and force you to live out the rest of your years just barely scraping by. Reason number 4, monthly income. The rental income you receive each month is like your regular salary, while capital growth is like the big end of year bonus. If you look at the history of Australian house prices, you'll notice a trend. Our housing prices tend to be much stronger than in other parts of the world. Now, we may not be immune to housing declines, but with our strong economy, we have a much better padding of protection. Here's a big reason why. China, India and Japan have a huge impact on our overall economy. The Reserve Bank of Australia states in the March Quarter Bulletin that with the rise in demand for commodities, notably by emerging Asian economies, the value of Australia's resource exports increased sharply between 2005 and 2010. Resource exports now stand at 57% of Australia's total exports, having increased from 41% in 2005. This situation has helped to buffer Australia from the global financial crisis. Australia has abundant supplies of natural resources, including the second largest accessible reserves of iron ore in the world and the 5th largest reserves of black coal. Known accessible deposits of these commodities are sufficient to sustain Australia's current production levels for many decades, and ongoing exploration and technological advances could increase supply even further. In the next video, we will bring everything together for you and show you how to get started.